On this day, 23 August, on the same day of August 23, 1305, on the year, one of the moment happened in the world history is one of the great heroes of Scotland, William Wallace, has been executed or died. Why he is famous means Scottish knight who became one of the leader of Scots forces against the English in the first war of Scottish independence. And he appointed Guardian of Scotland after his victory over an English army at the Battle of Stirling Bridge. He served until his defeat at the Battle of Falkirk in the July 1298. Since his death, Wallace has become an iconic figure in Scotland and abroad. He was famously portrayed by Mel Gibson in the Academy Award winning film called Braveheart. He is died on August 23, 1305, and the cause of death is King Edward I of England had him hanged, drawn and quartered for the high treason and crime against English civilians. Let's go on to the video and have a clear look on it. It's Vasant. Subscribe to our channel Learning Point. William Wallace was one of the main leaders of First War of Scottish Independence. In September 1297, he defeated the English army at the Battle of Stirling Bridge and was appointed the Guardian of Scotland. But he was defeated at Falkirk in the 1298. He resigned his post in favor of Robert the Bruce. The Robert the Bruce is one of the King of Scottish, one of the most well-known figures in the Scottish history. Robert served as a King of Scots from the period of 1306 to 1329. In this time, he led Scotland against the England in the first war of Scottish independence. He had previously been Guardian of Scotland in the late of 1290s but resigned in the 1300 after fighting with his co-guardian and rival John Comnenian, who is later killed in the 1306. A series of battles against the English made him one of the most famous warriors in his generation. After Edward II was deposed, his successor Edward III sought and achieved peace with Robert and renounced all claims to Scottish throne. Robert the Bruce is today revered as a hero in Scotland. William Wallace managed to avoid being captured until 1305, and he was turned over Edward I of England from 1272 until 1307, and he was put on the trial for treason. To charge he replied, "I could not be a traitor to Edward, but I never his subject." On August 23, 1305, and the same day this year, he was stripped naked and dragged by a horse through London. He was then hung, drawn and quartered, strangled by hanging, but kept alive, emulgated, disemboweled, and had his bowels burned before him, beheaded, and then cut into 4 parts. William Wallace was portrayed by Mel Gibson in the Academy Award winning film called Braveheart, released in the 1955. This is the moment happened in the world history on the same day of August 23. Please subscribe to our channel to get more updates on this day.